I'm sitting in a 02 Mercury Sable. We have no keys. We have a new key here. We put the key on. We're going to program one new key.
Row 59.
Sable. This is an 02. Okay, we got two keys in the system. We're just going to add one here. Okay, keys on. We're just going to do one. We're going to do manual selection and then pick coded access. That'll do your bypass. Ignition's off. Ignition on. Okay, it says it's done. Let's check our count. Perfect. 3 keys. We'll go ahead and unhook from the bottom. Now, as this is a PCM system, if I turn it on, sometimes they take a few seconds wait to start, and sometimes they don't. So let's see what happens here. Okay, started right on up. Security light is out. And as you can see, when I take the key out, the security light comes back on. All done.